got it.
Wow, that's quick. Not as good as the second one, though.
I don't know how he sees them. I mean, he's got to have. Yeah, he caught another one.
Super, super, super good eyes.
We're doing man things.
Not he. The duck. We're supposed
Oh, look. We got one.
Oh, man.
Yeah, you missed it.
Well, at least he has it.
Yeah, look at it. He's going to swallow that one. That thing just swim around in his stomach. No big deal. Oh, you see this neck?
Yeah.
His neck was just pulsating. Shake that
He's
one
like shaking it off. Yeah. Woo. Man, almost didn't. It's like almost didn't make it.
Yeah, one of the barbs went the wrong way.
Oh, he's on the hunt.
He's ready. Because when he went for that one, it was like far away from him. He just knew it was there.